The government is targeting a new wave of investments from Spain, rolling out the red carpet to investors in that European country in an effort to push economic growth. Prime Minister Andrew Holness led the efforts as he addressed the official opening of the Excellence Oyster Bay Resort in Trelawney last week. Dashan Hendricks has the details in this week's Business Review.
A push for investments and now Spain the target.
I'm very pleased at the level of investment interest that is coming from Spain to Jamaica.
In this wave, the Iberian country has invested US $1.7 billion in Jamaica, most in the hotel sector.
About 25% of the rooms built in Jamaica are the product of Spanish investment.
The latest is the $14 billion, 325-room Excellence Oyster Bay Hotel in Trelawney. The project, on which ground was broken 18 months ago, welcomed its first guests in recent weeks, and for the Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, proving a few things.
One of which it's possible for us to have turnaround time for major construction that is less than 18 months.
The hotel is the first in the Excellence Group to be constructed outside Mexico or the Dominican Republic, countries in which it hosts over 2,000 rooms already.
There is a promise for us to have 2,200 in Jamaica.
It's all part of the push to grow the sector. The promise is having the country welcoming 5 million tourists by 2021 and earning $5 billion US. Last year, over 4 million tourists visited the island. They spent $3 billion US, and the Prime Minister eyeing the performance, throwing out a challenge to the Tourism Minister.
To be even more aggressive and ambitious given the favorable macroeconomic conditions that now obtain in our economy.
Mr. Holness also sending out a message.
To investors locally and abroad, it is a tremendous time of opportunity to invest in the Jamaican tourism industry, and indeed in Jamaica overall, as the country's economic reform program has had a significant positive impact.
The hope is for that to result in a stronger growth. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.